Welcome to Ola's Coding Corner.
Advancing your tech skills. Engage with like-minded individuals and professionals to expand your network. Participate in tech meetups, join online communities, and contribute to relevant discussions. Connecting with others can lead to valuable learning opportunities and potential collaborations. Stay updated with the latest trends, tools, and frameworks. Technology is ever evolving, so it's important to have a growth mindset and keep learning. Continue exploring new technologies, taking courses, and staying up to date with the latest industry developments. Develop a portfolio that showcases your projects and demonstrates your skills. Include both personal projects and any professional work you undertake. A strong portfolio will help you stand out when applying for internships, jobs, or freelance gigs. Embrace challenges and seek opportunities to expand your knowledge and skill set. Remember, everyone's journey into the tech world is unique. Find your own path and pace yourself according to your interests and goals. Be patient, as mastering tech skills takes time and dedication. Kindly subscribe, like, share, and comment if you find this video helpful.